Welcome, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, guys, Christmas is around the corner. Oh my goodness. I feel like growing up in Jamaica, Christmas was like the best time for me. You guys all know December 24th is like the biggest thing, right? We look forward to Grand Market. Oh my goodness, all year round. You're looking forward to Grand Market, okay? And in my house, we never have a Christmas tree. When I was growing up, I never have a Christmas tree. But guys, I'm telling you, I didn't miss the Christmas tree. The only Christmas tree I knew when I was growing up was the one in Old Harbour, Center Town, right? And they would light that one up in the town and so forth. So every time you go in the town, you will see the Christmas tree and everything. So but we never have like a Christmas tree at home. That was the only Christmas tree I know right there. So I don't know that Christmas tree they were there right in front of the police station. I all that about if they don't move it. Because it's been so long for me. But yes, but I'm telling you, at home, me and my sister and my mom, we would just like blow up balloon on the 24th. We get up early on the 24th, cleaning, washing, you wait all you have to take out the nice, good spread. Yes, the nice sheet, the matching sheet, and the matching curtain. What you say? You have red sheet, you have your red curtain, your red runners. Uno more runner, front dresser, right? And you clean, floor shine and polish, everything nice. And we blow up a balloon, and I don't know those streamers. I don't even think I have any streamers. Do I have any streamers? I would have to go look at me have any streamers. But those streamers that you put on this. Oh no, yeah. Let me see if me find a streamer. Me not take me have the one that want me to go. Want me take me have one green one. Hold on. Like this, but this one of the Canadian one, green with whatever. But back in Jamaica we have the color one, the nice gold and red and green mix up one of those things. Yes, those are the ones, guys. I'm gonna tell you, we line them all upon the dresser. We blow up the balloon and we put them all over the house, and the house just look Christmas and the house just look nice. And a long time we eat rum cake, and I just and you have your rum cake and your soil. Oh my goodness, this sweet. Oh, I miss Jamaica. Oh my God. No, I don't think next Christmas we're skipping Canada. Next Christmas we need to go to Jamaica. I miss my home. I miss the festivity. Let me tell you something. Grand Market can be good and it can be bad for you. Okay? Because for me, when I go to Grand Market, I have to stay right beside my mother. Yes, not a fear. Make sure something can soon. No, because I work at school January. If you know what I mean. Okay? So she will go with us and let's be like I'm standing right here, so on a walk go up this, so walk go down here, so and whatever, and come back here. So we always have to come back to like meet somewhere, and thing. And I'm telling you, and she always ready to go home early when me ready, But sure, me happy to me go because all here you want to go to Grand Market to get that one little dolly. If you're a girl, that is the biggest thing on your list, a doll. Okay, and me have one dolly, and she named Malaria. Oh my God, childhood memories. And if you're a boy, the biggest toy out there for grandma at night of them look cool light up ball or the water gun or something. But I'm telling you, just the whole festivity, the town pack, everybody pretty much is there in the town. The vendors are out, everybody, all of your school friend them out, say, because after school give a break and whatever, you don't see your friends, right? Most of the time you don't see some of your friends. So, Grand Market night, you're gonna run into your friends and stuff like that, right? So you're excited, you're happy. I remember one Grand Market me I tell her say I really put out, to come up with my outfit. And when I do come up with the outfit, people, me say my shoes need a me say something hurt me, And I think I didn't go. And I tell my mom I didn't want to go. And me tell you, we went in the town earlier to get some stuff or whatever. So that was pretty much, and we get me toy and stuff like that at the time. But I'm telling you, my mom was happy that we didn't want to go because she didn't want to go. The most of the time when she go is just for us, right? And me tell her that the whole week before Grand Market, you know, you're on your best behavior. Best behavior. You're helping out extra around the house because you want a little extra money. You want to get it right. You don't want to come on punishment. You don't want to say, oh, you know, listen, this, that, you're not going to Grand Market. You have to stay away from that the line there. You understand? You don't want to hear that none at all. Okay? And then there is sometimes, you know, the parents, they punish you. And because they might say, oh, you're not going to get this. And not because of the, they don't have money. But you know, Jamaican parents stay. They don't want to take no blame for nothing. So them brother just put it on you because they not apologize at all for nothing. If you know when we know, right? You understand what I'm saying, right? So you have to be on your best behavior. You have to help out extra. You have to do everything to go a grand market, okay? But I'm telling you guys, even though we didn't have a Christmas tree or anything like that, I'm telling you, grandma, those days back home when I was growing up, Christmas was like one of the best time of the year for me. I really, really love it and I miss it. You understand? I didn't miss out on anything on my childhood. You know, um, when I think about it, I said I like my childhood. I like my experience because it made me who I am today, right? So even though I'm here with my kids, of course, you see in our last two videos, we put up our Christmas tree. My kids love Christmas, especially Michaela. She's big. Just the lights, even when I'm driving and everybody have their lights outside, whatever, she'd be like, Mommy, look, Mommy, look, Mommy, look, Mommy, look, you know. She love Christmas. And of course, you know, I love Christmas too. So it's a very wonderful time of the year for us, of course. So from my family to your guy to your family, I want to wish you guys a merry Christmas. I know you guys are doing your shopping, soaking up the raisin them and the mixed fruit for the you guys been soaking those for months. I know for the Christmas cake. Yes, I don't know. I thought of baking a Christmas cake, but I think I'm just gonna buy one. Yeah, I'm not push it this year. I'm not gonna push it. I haven't baked a Christmas cake in years. Oh my goodness, those are things I miss. I used to like go to my aunt's house to like do the mixing, just mixing the the batter, you know, for the Christmas cake. And you know, we have to lick off the spoon and we have to lick out the bowl when it's done. Those are the good part of the childhood growing up. I'm telling you guys, right? So guys, comment on this video anything that you agree with me or experience with me in this video that I said that you have experience as well. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked my video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.